Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to make or create Goku in Infinite Craft. So, let's get started. Alright, first things first. Take water and put in the crafting table. And then again take water and put in the water. When you do this, you will get lake. Now, take a water and place it on the lake. Watch closely, because now it's turning into an ocean. After that, take earth and put earth in the ocean. You will get island. Then put island in the island. When you do that, you will get continent. Now, let's move to the other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then put water in the earth. And you will get plant. After that, take lake and put in the plant. When you do this, you will get lily. Now, it's time to combine lily and continent. Take lily and put in the continent. When you do that, guess what? You will get lotus. Now, take continent and put in the lotus. Then you will get Asia. Then, again go to other side. Take fire and put fire in the fire. And you will get volcano. Now, put volcano in the Asia. When you do that, then you will get Japan. Now, it's time to add elements in Japan. First, add fire in the Japan. And you will get Godzilla. After that, put lily in the Godzilla. When you do that, you will get monster. After that, put lily in the monster. When you put lily in the monster, you will get nymph. Now, again put lily in the nymph. This time, you will get Narcissus. When you get Narcissus, put Japan in the Narcissus. When you do that, guess what? You will get anime. Now, it's time to go to other side. Take Godzilla and put in the field. Then take lotus and put in the Godzilla. When you do that, you will get Buddha. Now, the last step. Combine your two elements. Take Buddha and put in the anime. When you do that, you will get Goku. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully crafted Goku in Infinite Craft. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.